start making money by dropshipping, but you want to make sure that you don't handle the dropshipping, then you can use Teespring. So Teespring lets you dropship products. They ship the product for you. They do everything for you, but you have to list the products. So today I'm going to be talking about the accessories. So accessories, we got face covering, text accessories, stickers, and you can use these to open your own store, and you can dropship using marketing techniques on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. So what you do is you find one of the products. So let's choose the product here. So this looks like an actual good product, and we have to add our logo. We have to add our brand logo, and it has to look good so that we can get the most sales. So you go here, you go design here, and then we're gonna put our brand, BREND. So this is gonna be our brand, and we can change the font, or if you want, we can also add our own product logo here. So you have to choose a file and you can only add your own design. And then you continue, and it's gonna take like a 10 seconds. It should be take like maximum of 10 seconds. So the print quality looks good. It will show you here, and other things look good. Let me like go back, guys, since this stupid thing is not working. So give me some time. Oh, it's closed now. It's closed now. So 1 minute. Let's log in. Let me log in. Start creating. Sorry for the delay. And then after that, it's gonna you're gonna continue. So let's add a text. Press continue. This is our text. And let me and that product didn't work for now, but it will probably work for yours. So let's use the dad cap and let's push our own thing. And again, I'm telling everybody that they should start drop shipping using this website. So let's say Gale is our brand. So I just made a brand name and I want to change the color of the product. Let's do this. So it's like a Yeti brand. It looks like the brand Yeti in the US. And after that, it should be loading right now, and I will open when it's loaded. And because when I'm recording this video, there's problems associated with the website, but you can also create Apple Watch Band. You can create your own stickers, and these are very easy to sell since these are like used for like accessories, and accessory industry is huge. You can sell everything using this website, and after you list your product, you can click on your listings and you can change your price. So this is easy, guys. You have to just go in, you have to add your design, and you can set a price that's profitable and you can start selling. And I'm telling everybody that they should use YouTube Shorts, TikTok to do promotions since they're easy to like, they're cheaper and also easy to like scroll, like make your advertisement look good. And basically that's it for this video. And don't forget to watch my other videos about Teespring. So thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.